Hi guys, how are you? Today I will teach you how can do inside drop kick in air, okay, by the stepping. So actually, what is this kick? I'll just show you. Let's see carefully, okay. This is the position of fighting stumps, and we will have to jump and one stepping again and drop side kick, okay. Thanks. So like this, and opponent side, okay, like this. So this is, we can called inside drop kick by the stepping. So actually, let's see how can we do it, okay. So first stepping is this. We have to fighting stumps, we have to catch the fighting stumps, and after that we will, what is the stepping, I'm gonna show you, okay. The stepping is this. Your left leg is in front of you and in front of his enemy, okay, and you have to do stand like this, and your first stepping is this. Your right leg is going to here, going to do stand here, okay, and your left leg is up. You have to do up actually. So first stepping is 1 2 and second is this, okay. This is the kick, and in this kick you have to jump once, okay. So let's again. So 1 2 3, and this is you have to do in jumping sides like this. Actually you have to first train like this yourself, actually like this, okay, and you have to gradually complete your task minimum 100 times, and you will be the better. Actually practice makes man perfect, actually like this. 1, okay, and you have to do more and more. Gradually you will be perfect actually by the practicing, okay, like this. First is this and second is this, okay. Second position you have to do in jumping like, okay, 1 and 2 like this. You have to jump, but gradually you are practicing continuously, you will be the perfect, okay, like this. I'm gonna show you stepping, what how many steps in this kick, actually like 1 and 2 and 3. Actually you have this kick, you will injure anyone by this kick, actually in the shoulder side, in the head side. Actually you are jumping, whenever we jump to hit anyone, you can hit on his head, on his shoulder, okay. So how can we hit, let's see, okay. 1 2 3, this is the position actually. So this is the guy kick. If you want to learn something from here, from my video, do like, share, subscribe, and if you have any feedback, you can comment me on comment section and the description box. Actually your comment, valuable comment, will appreciate me and appreciate our team actually. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.